Alrighty guys, I know a lot of you have been wondering how my kicker speakers sound in my Jeep Cherokee and with the 12-inch sub as well. So I know we were able to install them, but you guys never really were able to listen to the audio itself. So you're going to be restricted down to the camera sound level. I know it's not going to be very great, but because they sound a whole lot better in real life. But let's go ahead and play a song, probably get it copyrighted, but who cares, and we'll just see how they sound, right? So here is the 12-inch sub that's in the back, so it really makes a nice boom to it. But let's go ahead and close that. And now go ahead and there's a speaker in here, and there's a speaker up there as well as two in the back actually. So we'll go ahead and play a song for you. Hopefully we can get one. So here's the audio. So alright, that is the audio. Hope you guys can hear it, and if I add the bass, you'll probably just drown out the music, so we'll just add the bass to it. Because I can hear the bass, it probably just drowns out the music for you guys, but yeah, it actually makes a huge difference. I spent a little bit of money on this sound system, but otherwise than that, I really like it, and if you guys want to get the character speakers for your XJ, they'll be down in the description below. You know that, so yeah, thanks for joining me on this video. We'll turn off that music completely, and yeah, thanks for joining me on this video. If you want to see them put in right there, if you want to see the build right there, and yeah, check out the Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Whoop.